Are you looking for a new home on over 2 acres with a barn? Not only does this home offer an attached 2-car garage, but it also offers this detached garage that will get siding to match the home. So let me show you around what is going to be built on Ridge Road in Quicksburg. Keep in mind, if you grab this home early enough, you can pick out some finishes. Let's go take a spin. This amazing open floor plan offers 1,380 square feet living space, 3 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms, along with an attached 2-car garage. So, do you want to make this new construction home your home? Then give me a call. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.